Welcome. Today, I'll guide you through how to easily duplicate an Excel file right from the Dropbox mobile app, using the most up-to-date steps. This is incredibly useful when you want to make a copy of your spreadsheet quickly without using a computer. First, open the Dropbox app on your phone. This works whether you're using an iPhone or an Android device. Once the app is open, you'll see several tabs at the bottom of your screen. Tap the Files tab to access all the documents stored in your Dropbox. Next, locate the Excel file you'd like to duplicate. When you find it, look for the three dots icon, often called the Menu or More Options button, right next to the file name. Tap those three dots to open the File Options menu. In this menu, scroll until you see an option called Duplicate. Tap on Duplicate, and Dropbox will prompt you to choose a destination folder where you want the copy to be saved. You can pick the same folder or select a different one, depending on your needs. After selecting the destination, confirm your choice by tapping Duplicate again. The app will then create an exact copy of your Excel file in the spot you chose, with copy or a similar identifier added to the file name so you can distinguish it from the original. That's it. You've successfully duplicated your Excel file on Dropbox using the mobile app. This feature is great for backing up your work, experimenting with different versions of your spreadsheet, or sharing a copy without affecting the original. With these simple steps, you no longer need a desktop computer to manage your files efficiently. The Dropbox mobile app makes handling your Excel documents straightforward and convenient whenever you're on the go. Feel free to repeat these steps anytime you want to duplicate files, keeping your important data organized and accessible right from your phone. Thanks for watching.